And to set that, whoa! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aryelle Artistry here, and I'm coming at you with another look. So this look today is very simple, but still a bold lip. I love the rose gold accent with the champagne glitter and the red lip. I think it's so pretty. This is definitely work appropriate. I focus on the eyes, the lips, and I did refresh my hair for you guys. I wanted to show you what I do, like when I first wake up, what I do to my hair. Before I get into the video though, please subscribe to my channel, be a part of my mermaid squad. Comment down below what look you want to see next. I know that I did do 2 natural looks, but I'm definitely going to do a dramatic look. So give me some suggestions on that. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know. And yeah, I don't want to waste any time. So if you want to see how I get this lovely holiday inspired look with this bold red lip, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I decided that I'm going to show you how I refresh my hair. I did just wake up, so don't mind my tiredness. I do have a little bit of coffee in my system, but you'll probably see me get hyped through the video. So in this video, I'm really going to be focusing on eyes and hair, not so much complexion. It is very repetitive. I will be coming out with a foundation video just to show you like how I cover my acne scars, like as you can see, because you guys are like hella close. You can see I have acne scars, so I'm going to show you guys everything that I do. So stay tuned for that. As always, I'm going to start off with my brows. I did just come out with an updated brow tutorial, so check that out. I'm going to do that off camera and then I'll be right back. Alright, so my brows are on. So the only thing I did different, I didn't go on top. I did go on top on this brow just because, like I said in my video, this brow is my more complicated brow. So I just put a little concealer like right here. I didn't go all the way like you saw in my other video just because I want this to be more of like a softer look and I want a bold lip. And I want to apologize for my nails now. Like one is broken and then this one is broken, but I have the band-aid on it because it hurts so bad every time I hit it on something, but I'm getting them done soon. So I tried to hide them as best as I could, but it is what it is. You know, this is real life. So I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape in tan. I actually switched. But I did just look at the website and apparently tan sand is darker than tan. So I kind of like, whatever. So I'm just going to be putting that on my lid just to prime. And to set that, I'm just using the MAC Soft Focus Powder. So after this video, I promise I'm going to have like a smokier holiday eye. I just wanted to give you guys more options just because I love rose gold and I feel like it's like a perfect time for Christmas. So I saw this palette. I actually have this in my kit for clients and I've actually used it like a couple times, but I saw like this shade right here, this rose gold shade, and I was like, oh my god, this is totally Christmas. But right now we're going to be using this shade right here, which is Saddle, I believe. The names are on the back. Yes. So this is my OG Saddle. It's actually in a palette. This is the Eyeshadow Warm Neutral palette and it has 15 shades in it. And I think it's like a really good palette to start out with because you do have a darker shade right here. So we're just going to be taking that with a C512 brush and just putting it in my crease as a transition color. So guys, I've been like so sick. So I had a sinus infection and it turned into a respiratory infection just because I didn't treat it. Don't be like that. If you have anything wrong with you, definitely get it checked out. I'm the type of person that doesn't go to the doctor. If something's wrong, like I just feel like I can fix it with over-the-counter medicine. So that's what I did, and I didn't really realize it, but I had a sinus infection. So I was in bed for 3 days, so I'm a lot better now. If you hear my nasally sound, it's just because I still have a little bit of like sinus issues here, but I'm a lot better. So now that we have the crease all warm with my saddle, I'm going to be using this rose gold shade here, and it's called Ginger Snap. And I'm just going to be putting that all over my lid. And I'm going to be taking this MAC 239. This is just a flat shader brush. And I'm just tapping it right onto the lid. See how pretty that is? It's so pretty. It's like a nice rose gold shade, but it has a little more red and pink to it. And I'm just going to cut it. Like, see how I keep going back and forth right here? It just cuts the crease rather than just using concealer. So it's like a soft cut. And then I go back and blend. Cut it. So now I'm going to go back in with that 512 brush by Crown. And I'm just going to be blending. I did put a little bit of saddle on there, but I just tapped it into the eyeshadow once just to blend that cut that I did before. Like, you see the difference, how this is a lot more blended than this side. Now to add some glitter, I'm going to be adding this Stila Kitten. It says it's a magnificent metal eyeshadow. So what it is, it's like a cream eyeshadow and it has like all this glitter. It's so pretty. So I'm just going to be taking my finger. You see my nail. So I'm just going to be getting it on as much as I can, and I'm going to be tapping that onto the lid. So see, I have this much, and I'm just going to tap it right onto my lid. And then all the areas I can't reach, I'm going to go back in with the brush. I just took my finger and I just dragged the products on there. I didn't dip back into it, just because I don't want too much on there. And you really want to blend this out since these are two different colors. Like, the Kitten is more of like a champagne and my lid is more of a rose gold. And just to add a little more definition to the crease, we're going to be using this shade right here, and that is Dark Brew. And I'm going to be using that C528 crown brush, that really small crease detail brush, and I'm just going to be putting that into the outer V and a little bit in my crease, just to give some more definition right here. So I start here and then I go over here just to create that V. And then I'm going to be using the C511 brush by Crown. And I'm going to be taking that same Dark Brew shade, and I'm just going to go right into that V just to darken it a little bit. And I'm just focusing it right here. And then one last time for the C512 brush. You guys know I love to blend. So that's it for the eyeshadow on top of the eye. I'm going to pop on some lashes. These are the Eyeliner Luxe Silk Marquise Silk Effect lashes. If you follow my Instagram, you already know what I'm going to say. You need to follow that now. These were given to me because I did have a photo shoot. So the makeup artist gave me these and I literally am obsessed with them. They have like a wispy effect, but it's so nice. I'm going to pop them on and show you guys because you guys are just going to love them. So let me pop these on and I will be right back. Bam! Look at these lashes. Like, I'm obsessed. They look so nice. So Clumsy Me got something on. I can't. So Clumsy Me got something on my shirt, so that's why I had to change. I knew I was risking it when I wore white, but I was trying to be into the spirit. So since we're focusing on eyes, I didn't do mascara or eyeliner yet on my lashes, so I'm going to do that now. And I did get a new eyeliner, about time, right? So I'm using the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Eyeliner, and apparently this is waterproof. And I actually really like this eyeliner. This is like the first liquid eyeliner I ever used that was high-end. And I really like it. It's bomb, it doesn't move, it doesn't go anywhere. So I'm just gonna be putting that on top. And same with this. I can't talk and do this. And same with this, I start in sections. I don't just do a straight line, just because it's a lot easier. So this just makes your lash look a little bit thicker, and when you look down, you won't be able to see that lash band. Like, it looks a lot cleaner over here. So now I'm taking the Giorgio Armani mascara that I have been loving and been using literally all the time. I'm just gonna blend my lashes with the fake lashes. Alright, so the eyes are done. I'm going to do my complexion. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm using and then I'll do it off camera. So I'm actually using a different primer today. I will do the primer on camera just so you guys can see. I'm using the Backlight Primer by Becca. This is just going to give you a really nice glow, and since we're going to a holiday party, this is like the theme. I really want to have like a nice glow to the skin. And honestly, I haven't used this primer before, so this is kind of like a first impression too. Wow, this is so glowy. I love this. Even though I'm oily, I do like to have like a nice glow. So now I'm going to pop on the Becca Skin Love foundation. You know I love this foundation. It looks like your skin. And then the highlighter that I use is something different. I'm still going to be using Becca, but this is going to be a Becca Rose Gold highlighter. So it's just going to kind of go with the rose gold theme that we have going on. And I've had this forever, as you can see, like I'm almost hitting pan on it. And for blush, I'm going to be using MAC Gingerly. I love this shade. Clearly, I hit pan on it. It's such a good neutral peachy shade. And I'm going to be doing all that stuff off camera, and then I'll come back to do my lips. So So my complexion is on, and just to hydrate my skin a little bit more, I'm going to be using the Mario spray, and this is in the aloe, cucumber, and green tea. They have 3 of them. I've used all 3. I usually use this one or the lavender one, but yeah, I'm just going to spray that. And I know I said I was going to be back with my lips, but I forgot about under my eyes, so we're going to do under my eyes first. So with my C528 by Crown, I'm going to take that saddle color and then just dragging it underneath my eye. And just to diffuse it out a little bit more, I'm going to be going back in with that C512. And with no additional product because we last used this with saddle. So I'm just going to blend it just to blow the bottom out a little bit more. Now I'm going to be going in with the C513 by Crown. This is just a pointer brush. I'm going to be using that Ginger Snap shade, and I'm just going to be putting it on the inner corner of my eye. And I'm going to drag it to right here, because we're going to be putting the Stila like over here in the inner corner. But we also want to see the rose gold shade, so we're just going to make them blend into each other. Wow. That's pretty! Alright, with that same pointer brush, I'm going to be taking the Stila Magnetic eyeshadow, the cream, and I'm going to be putting it right on the inner corner, and I'm just going to be blending the two. And I'm just going to like stop here, and then just lightly flick into the rose gold, just because I want you to be able to see that color too. So I'm mainly going to focus that color, the Stila color over here, the kitten. Ooh, that's so pretty. I'm loving this eye. And just to add definition by my lash line, I'm going to be taking this dark shade, Dark in the Night. I'm just going to be putting that close to my lash line. And I'm not really dragging, I'm tapping it into that area so I don't drag it too far. See how it just like darkens it up a little bit? And I'm not going to go all the way, I just stopped about right here. I'm going to go back in with that small detailing brush and just blend that with the saddle. And then I'm going to go back in with saddle and just blend underneath that Dark in the Night. Oh my god. It's called Dance in the Dark. When I say Dark in the Night, Dance in the Dark, not Dark in the Night. That doesn't even make sense. I can't. So for eyeliner, I'm going to be taking my favorite pencil by MAC. This is Teddy. This is a brown shade. And I'm just going to be putting it where I put that Dance in the Dark. Not Dark in the Night. And for the inner corner over here, I decided that I wanted to use like a nude shade just to keep it light. So I'm just going to go right on the inner corner and then stop where the teddy is. And this is a NARS pencil. I'll have it listed down below because it doesn't have a name on it. Alright, and now I'm going to use my mascara, the Giorgio Armani mascara, just for my bottom lashes. See, this mascara is so bomb. Like, look at all of that. And my bottom lashes look so nice. And the last step is going to be my lips. So I decided to do a red with this look. So I'm going to be using Brick Lip Liner. With red, you always want to line your lips just to perfect the line, just because it's going to be so obvious. And you don't want it to bleed onto your face. With any lipstick, I use a lip liner just because I like to perfect it. And I just like my lips to look a little bit bigger. So you can fake it with lip liner. So I'm just going to line my lips. The lip that we're going to be using is a liquid lipstick, so I did prep my lips before. Alright, and since we're going to a holiday party, we don't want to be touching up our lips, so we're going to be using a liquid lip, and this is Creeper by ColourPop. And this is such a nice red. This is more of like an orangey red rather than a blue toned red. And I usually use this with cherry, but for some reason I can't find it, so I just use Brick. And that's it for the makeup. So now I'm going to zoom you guys out so I can do my hair. So now I'm going to refresh my hair. See, it looks kind of crazy, and it is flat in the back just because like I sleep. That's how I sleep. So I sleep with a silk pillowcase. I don't wrap my hair or anything. I don't put anything on it. And it's really easy how I refresh my hair. So all I do is just take my spray bottle and I just spray my hair, and I go like this with my fingers. Like kind of like you're scratching your scalp. And I just spray everywhere. And I do this for all of my hair, not just the back, to make it not flat anymore, just because your hair needs moisture. So I usually wash my hair once a week, and I put a mask in it every week, and I go through it with a comb, like you guys saw how I do my hair. So I don't put any more Eco Styler in my hair just because I don't want to weigh it down. And all that's in here is distilled water, or you can use a water bottle. And I have some oil in here. You can use olive oil, you can use any type of oil. The oil that I'm using is this one right here. This oil is freaking bomb. You can use it for your face, you can use it for anything, your whole body, but I like to use it for my hair, and this is the Rejuvenique. So if you guys are interested, let me know. I can hook you up to get this. So I just put it in here and just spray all of my hair. And then when I get closer to my face, like over here, I just like lightly spray it, because you don't, and I hold it and tilt my head back because you don't want to have like water drip down your face. So you could kind of see some of the products coming out, but it's okay. I think it's been, I don't know how long it's been since I washed my hair. I know it definitely hasn't been a week yet, but it's coming up to it. Sometimes I do it earlier than a week. And if you want to see how I wash my hair and all that stuff, because I just did get it cut, let me know and I will definitely have that for you guys. So, and then I just like to fluff it out, especially like some of these front curls. And then over here, I like to put my bobby pins over here. And like you see, I already have that part. So for this side, what I like to do is I have this, don't judge because this brush looks hella crusty. This is a teasing comb, but you can use any like comb with like hard bristles like this. And I take my Eco Styler gel and I dip it into it. And I take that brush and I just go like that. So see how it's like nice and flat? And I don't do this every day just because I don't want a lot of product here. I usually do it if it's not flat like this. So then I have these bobby pins. These bobby pins are like curved. So then I just go like that. And then I hold the bobby pin here and then I push it further in. And then I take another one and I do the same. I just cross them so it really stays. And sometimes it takes me a while to do this because sometimes I don't like the way it looks. The bobby pin sticks out. Like I have one sticking out right now. If you see it. See it right there? Right here. So I'm just going to pull it out and do it again. Like not all the way out, but just kind of get it in there so we don't see that, even though my hair is black. And then I do the same for this part so you can really see the part that I have. And for up here, I just like to put one. When I first do my hair, I do two, but one is good enough for now. If you want this flatter, you can wrap it and put something here just to flatten it down, but I don't mind it. Like, I think it's okay. And I'm going to be putting my little pearls in just because we're going to a holiday party. You know, you want to have that cute little pearl look. So I got these little pearl clips from Forever. So I just pop them in where I think it fits. And then I also try to hide the bobby pin. So yeah, that's all I do to my hair. And then the top I like to just pull a little bit so it has that shape. So my favorite hair day is the third day. The third day my hair looks so good. Like now, see, it's starting to get like a little frizzy, as you can see, like over here. So that doesn't bother me as much. Once it gets really frizzy and really crazy, that's usually when I can tell like it needs to be washed. And you can also tell because you'll see more of the product. Like I see some now, but it usually dries down. But if I do it and it doesn't dry down, like that's how I know it's time. And it starts to get itchy, like you know. So yeah, that's all I do for my hair. And this is the finished look. I'm gonna change and then I will be right back. So this is the finished look. I love the contrast between the rose gold, the champagne, and the red. I think it just looks so holiday, so pretty. You can definitely wear this to a holiday work party. It's just something simple but still a bold lip. So if you want to have a holiday look but you still want to be a little more bold, just pop this red lip on and it makes such a statement. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Be a part of my mermaid squad. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell.